got on 22. We're just like, give us a 10-second head start. But what do those make? What do those make? Is that 640, right? Is it 640 dash? Is his all-wheel drive? Is that all-wheel drive? Yeah. Okay. Shit was wide and low in the rear.
The rear tires were big. Aren't they like, they're like 335?
Yeah, I think they're 335. I think that sounds right.
Maybe even bigger. I don't know. Yeah, it's just crazy that stock.
Because like you're lowered and he was at the hood.